Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to do the weekly review and the weekly analysis anticipation for the other week. We have this. Oh, shit. Let me delete because the volume profile and positives volume profile are cracked. Loading. But essentially, see this with the rejection of this acceptation through this kind of balance area, and go to this balance area, rejecting the POC, creating unfinished actions, because there is poor highs, poor highs, very close to each other. To here we see this something like rejection here, and a kind of a balance area. And we come back here. Something like a support, resistance support area. Something like this. See here. Support to resistance area and go down. It's the same like ETH session, overnight high created there, and go low. Wait me. For now, this is a gap, the gap of the weekly, that is, oh shit, here. This is the gap. Paid me, the volume profile is cracked. I don't know why, I don't know the reason, but see here, look. NQ is good. I will analyze the NQ because my volume profile is cracked. I don't know the reason, but yeah, that it is a book. Span profiles. See here. Very important. See here. See those rejections at the depth. There, something like it. Rejection. This is very important. This sounding tail, yeah, something like that. See here. After of this, very important. We go higher, um, outside of the balance high, yeah, but we came back to the same area, yeah. So this is something like go up and go down, accepting lower prices. That's it. And this tail, very important. This tail, we close inside of the balance in a bearish movement from here and here. Yeah, we see this other tail, other rejection, and the same. We go up and reject those prices and go down. We go up. We did the reaction there at this POC of the volume profile and go up to the other balance area and go down. Yeah, see this, go down. Very important here. The last part of the time, 17% of the time, ERTH, the last part of ERTH of the Friday is very common. See this type of consolidation or something like that. Yeah, a type of consolidation. Yeah. Here we see the 19% rule. Come back to the same to the previous value area high, value area low of time price opportunity chart. We see reactions there, and we go down over again. Yeah, again. We close below of this balance low. If we would like to adjust the level, it is something like this. Yeah, in a down movement. And very important, see this. This single print created in the time price opportunity chart, or it's the same overnight session. Yeah, overnight session, see here, see there. We fill it there and go down. Close it. Close it, the single print. We go down and we create a balance, imbalance or a gap below this level. Yeah, I would like to see higher movements because see this is not good volume for going lower. This is not good volume. Yeah, I would like to see the close of this huge balance from here to here, almost 200 to 2000, no, 200, yeah, 200 points in NQ. I would like to see here the balance low, the prior balance area, and go up. Yeah, go up. It is because this is a gap. We are not creating volume below here. Good volume, I mean, yeah, good volume. 13 days, 19 days composite volume profile. Good. I would like to see higher movements until maybe close this gap, balance low and go lower. But here this level or this area is very important to take into consideration, uh, because we could see a finished action setup that is acceptation through this balance, go up, will be go up of this balance low, consolidate a little of time, and creating volume. Yeah, retest this area, balance low, and go higher with 18% of probability to go up to the balance high. Yeah, this is unfinished actions. That is the same. Um, relative equal highs, it's the same. And highs very close each other. Here, 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 and here. So, and those levels are very important. Levels and here. I'm gonna see that you put all the attention here. 13 days composite volume profile. We see this kind of balance area. Yeah. In the last 13 days, we were not creating volume here. Yeah. But 19 days composite volume profile. See here. Yeah. This is a kind of higher time frame or high volume node. Yeah. See here, 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 and here. What does that mean? We go up, created volume, we go down, create a little of volume below this high, balance high of the 19 days composite volume profile. We go down, we started to create this balance area, yeah, acceptation below, we see this, go down, and yeah, we could see the finished action setups, setup with two main ways. Consolidation above this area, that is the middle, something like that, the middle of this high volume node or balance area, yeah. Consolidate and go down until here, the balance low, and go higher with find higher prices. It is one way. The second way of the finished action could be only expansion, yeah, only expansion until this POC, yeah, until into this POC, or even the high area, the middle high, the upper quadrant, the upper middle, sorry, the upper middle of this kind of a balance, high and low. The middle here, we could see an imbalance or trending action with some footprint, with some single prints, filled it, fill those single prints created, and go out. This could be this could be good setups. But if we reject something like this in the CPO chart or market profile here, we reject here, and we start to create volume lower and lower again. It is very important because we could be in a trending state based on the action market theory. Yeah, balance, prior balance, we go up and we go down with a huge reacting price action. Yeah, go up, immediately go down. There we could see here something like this. That is, it is excess high or selling tail. Yeah, selling tail because it's up for confirmation of bearish. We could see other way for bearish. That could be something like create balance because we have no balance here. Yeah, create balance and go up. Same thing to the prior balance low and go down, creating a finished action model or setup for lower prices. Add the balance high and low of this balance that could be creating right now. See this, see the volume, and see the time. We could see something like this, this, go up, finish it action, go down, value at a high, and go down until those lows. Yeah, and yeah, that's all. I hope you are enjoying this content and see you guys.